counties, for this strengthens your presidential resolve to support counties and the devolution agenda in your national endeavors. It is therefore a great honor for us as counties and as the people of Bungoma that you have chosen to share this national celebration with us. It would be remiss of me not to pass the gratitude of the people of Bungoma. Mr. President, all the major roads in Bungoma town and its environments are well lit, hence promoting a 24-hour economy in our town. Our airstrip at Matulo can now safely land a 35-seater plane, but it's our wish and focus that in the future it be upgraded to an international airport. And Your Excellency, when it's at that level, we want to propose on behalf of the people of Bungoma that it be named after you. Our Masinde Muliro Stadium is in the process of being completed to perfection with a seating capacity of 20,000 people, with all roads around it well paved, and we now have an official state lodge to Nasema Asante Sana. Your Excellency, the current weather pattern in Kenya is worrying. We must begin to think of timely interventions that will address the challenges of crop failure in order to ensure our people have options. As the chair of the Agriculture Committee, I look forward to the support and partnership of your government in this endeavor to accelerate this development. Before I wind up, Your Excellency, if this rotation continues, for people to appreciate what is happening today, the next national celebration to be held in Bungoma will be in 2071, after it has gone round all the other counties. So this is historic for us, and that is how serious it is that we are making history. So you can take your years, add 47 years, and know how old you will be when this will be held here next. Your Excellency, I now leave you with the words of Marco Rubi, who said leadership cannot be measured in a poll or even in the result of an election alone. It can only be truly seen with the benefit of time from the perspective of 20 years, not 20 days. Everything that you have done for the people of Bungoma will live forever in our hearts. Thank you, Your Excellency, sir. Your Excellency, you know, addressing a magnitude of this, a crowd of this magnitude, you can get changanyiko kidogo. It is now my